Hi there. Can I have your significant figures? Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ano ba ang significant figures. Paano natin magagamit ang significant figures lalo na sa mga physics concepts, especially in dealing with the measurement problems. So tara, umpisahan na natin ang pagtalakay about significant figures. Alright, here we are. On the left side are the rules of significant figures. So we have to follow this, no, in of course identifying the number of significant figures na meron sa isang measurement. First, all non-zero digits are always significant. So yung mga values from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So those are the significant, are classified always as significant figure. For the rules 2, 3, and 4, madalas naman ito ay pang zeros. No? Number 2, any zeros between the non-zero digits are significant. So if a certain zero is being sandwiched or that is in between sa dalawa pang non-zero digit, so considered siya as significant. Kahit dalawang zero pa iyan or tatlong zero or apat na zero or kahit pagaano karaming zeros ang napapagitnaan, no, ng dalawa pang non-zero, okay, makaklassified siya as significant. Next, for the third rule, trailing zeros after the decimal point are significant. So, meron tayong decimal point and then the zeros located after the decimal point, kahit immediate pa yan after the point or medyo malayo na siya after the decimal point, will classified as significant. Those are trailing zeros. But for number 4, the leading zeros are not significant. So these are the zeros located before and after the decimal point, no? And before pa siya sa first non-zero digit. Okay, so yung mga, from the term itself, leading zeros, yung mga zeros na nauuna sa ating significant values or sa ating measurements. So on the right, we have here sample values or sample measurements. We're going to identify the number of significant figures na meron dito following the rules na meron dito sa left side. So first, we have 65,345. So how many significant figures kaya meron dito sa value or sa measurement na ito? Ito ngayon ay 5. It has 5 significant figures following the first rule. All non-zero digits are always significant. So wala tayong zero, so ayan. Lahat ngayon na nandito ay significant. Next, 4,050. So meron pa tayo iba pang rules na i-consider, and with that, we have 3 significant. Okay, so yung mga rules, syempre, number 1, all non-zero digits, yung 4 and 5. Number 2, yung sandwich, no, or in between, the zero in between the two significant values or the two non-zero digits. And then, yung number 3, trailing zeros after the decimal. Okay, take note, meron tayo ditong trailing zero, but this is not located after the decimal point. Okay, so kung meron tayong decimal point, pwede siya ma-classified as 0. That is a special case. Pero wala tayong decimal point na nakalagay dito, so this trailing zero now is not classified or not considered as a significant value or significant figure. So we only have 3 significant figures for this value or for this physical quantity. Next, for the third, 4,005.0. So with this, we have 5 significant figures. So pasok si number 1 rule, pasok yung number 2 rule. This time, dalawa yung zeros na meron, sandwich. And then trailing zeros after the decimal point. This time, okay, yung zero natin is satisfied with the third rule, trailing zero after the decimal point. Next, number 4, we have 0.0510 or the 510 10,000s. So we have here 3 significant figures only. So dito papasok yung fourth rule. Leading zeros are not significant. The zeros located before and after the decimal point and before the first, take note, the first significant value. So yung first significant value natin dito is 5. And lahat ngayon ng mga naunang zero ay not significant. Okay, so C5, C1 considered as significant, and then yung 0, that is a trailing 0 and located after the decimal point, that is considered as significant figure. And last, we have 970. Now, yung 970 natin, it has only two significant figures. C9 at C7 satisfying the first rule. However, hindi na satisfy yung third rule na dapat after the decimal point yung 0 natin. Okay, so ganyan lang. We have to follow the rules, the 4 rules stated on the left side in identifying the number of significant figure. So ayan, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for listening and watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel para magi-updated pa tayo sa mga postings natin in all videos about science and math. Hopefully you learned something from this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.